Hello! Welcome to the ZINFI Technologies Partner Ecosystem Management video series. Please click on the subscribe button for informative videos on various aspects of partner ecosystem management. Welcome to ZINFI, where we empower your channel marketing management with cutting-edge platforms and strategies. Today, we're diving into the metrics that matter for your success. In the world of channel marketing, understanding the right metrics is crucial, but what metrics should you focus on? Let's break it down into 3 essential phases. First up, the launch phase. It's all about quick wins and demonstrating value. Select a pilot group, focus on utilization, and remember, the right metrics here set the stage for success. Monitor progress and measure success through selected partners, ensuring they align with your goals. Next, the ramp phase. Here, scale is key. Roll out to more partners and focus on broad, impactful campaigns. The goal? Build a repeatable, scalable motion. Track both input metrics like partner engagement and output metrics, such as leads generated and deals closed. Finally, the optimize phase. Fine-tune your approach based on data, focusing on ROI. This is where strategic adjustments based on partner feedback and performance data come into play. Remember, the ultimate metric of success is sales generated from your investments. At ZINFI, we're here to help you navigate these phases with our comprehensive channel marketing management platform. Ready to maximize your ROI? Let's make it happen together. Thank you for watching ZINFI Technologies Partner Ecosystem Management video series. If you've enjoyed this video, please click on the like button. Please click on the subscribe button to stay informed on a variety of best practices for building a high-performing partner ecosystem using programs, processes, people, and technology platforms. Hope to connect with you soon and have a great day.